Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply broken glass effect in CapCut. Alright guys, let's get started. Here I have created a project in CapCut and we're going to practice how we can apply the broken glass effect. So I'm going to use that effect for the transition of these two clips. And the first thing we have to do is clicking on the effect option right here. And then we're going to select the video effect. And on this video effect, we have to find the nature category. So you have to scroll all the way to the right here until you find the nature category. Okay, and this is the nature category. Tap on it. Then you have to scroll down and you have to find the shadow effect. So this is the shadow effect. Tap on it. Then just click on the check mark button. And then if you want to adjust the effect, you just need to click on adjust option right here. Then you can adjust the speed and also the atmosphere. And for example, I'm going to adjust the speed. I'm going to increase the speed. Okay, and then just click on the check mark button after you're done. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the results, guys. So I'm playing the video now. Alright, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can apply the broken glass effect in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.